Folks, how's it going?
Hello everyone. Okay, I can already see folks are super excited for day two at Global Hack Week season launch. I know you might have seen a lot of things happening on day one, starting off with Swift's keynote. But hello everyone, I can see a lot of hello in the chat. Hello, hello. Looks like people are really super excited.
Yeah, and I love seeing returning hackers. I recognize so many names, and it's so amazing to always see people come back.
Yes.
But cool. How have you been? Did you join any of the streams yesterday? Did you see Swift's keynote?
Yep, I was seeing Swift's keynote and like it's been always like for me it's like 2 years at MLH and whenever Swift's come up with a keynote, a lot of new things he has planned for the community and apart from that, our new mascot. So if I guess if someone is new on the stream and someone has joined us yesterday, can you tell what's our mascot for this season? It has a specific name, so if someone can tell us that in the chat. And again, before, as Ritvi asked me, what was your day one moment like? What are the things that you think happened amazingly on day one? For me, it was I had a mini event stream and we started with Scribble and we then moved to Gartic phone. So we saw how creative and talented folks can be with their drawing skills. So, yep, everyone got it. Like, folks are super
Easy
active.
iguana. Nice. You were close. You're close,
Yep, you're
Dave.
close. If that was a random guess, you are very close. Easy.
Awesome. A lot of y'all were paying attention yesterday. That's awesome. I know Swift really enjoyed his keynote. If y'all saw Swift's LinkedIn post, he was very happy with the questions that y'all asked him. He even went ahead and posted an entire, relatable post regarding the questions that you asked him. So that's awesome.
Yep. That's the best part. And for me also, I always try to keep a check on the GitHub streams that actually happen, specifically GitHub Copilot, because I'm someone who uses GitHub Copilot on a daily basis. So, yep, it was again an amazing stream that was taken up by Celsia. So, in case if you don't know what GitHub Copilot is, how it works, you can just go and check that on our YouTube channel. And if you're wondering if I want to cover up Swift's keynote, the GitHub stream, and we also had a stream from like that is deploy with Defang. If you want to know how you can create, build, deploy apps on cloud, all the streams are available on our YouTube and the Twitch channel. So you can just go get yourself relaxed, watch all the streams, have all the required fun.
Yep. I think we're not saving them on Twitch anymore, but it's still available on
Yep,
YouTube.
yep,
But awesome! I'm so excited to be here after so long. I wasn't here in June at all. Did you stream in June, Vinayak?
yep. I guess if that was a Web3 week, I didn't. But no, okay, June I did two streams. I'm so sorry, I've been traveling that time a lot. But I did three streams last Global Hack Week, if I can remember well. This time, folks, you're going to
Awesome.
see me a
A
lot
lot.
and a lot number of times. So, yep. What about you, Ritvi?
Awesome.
How Global Hack Week was for you for the day one?
So it was pretty awesome. I was hanging around in Discord when Vinayak was conducting the mini event, preparing for my stream right after. And yes, you're right. I took the IoT stream. But you know what? Let's discuss a little more in yesterday's slide. Let's move on and start the stream with the slides.
Yep.
So, folks, welcome to season launch GHW. This is starting of day two, and yeah, let's move into our introductions.
Okay. Again, folks, welcome to the day two of season launch. Before we actually move ahead, we should introduce ourselves. Hey folks, I am Vinayak Rawat. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking. A small fun fact, last month I completed 2 years at MLH as a coach. So it's been a long time. Not long than Ritvi so, but and another fun fact, I guess this is something which happened last week. India won World Cup, so it was a very special feeling. Someone who follows cricket so well, so I almost danced for an hour. We celebrated a lot. So yep, it was a great day.
Awesome. Yeah, India winning the World Cup is a pretty big highlight. It is so funny. Last GHW, I would think we were doing in May, right? And me and Vinayak were on a stream and we're like, you know what? Let's do IPL stream. And now we're talking about the World Cup. Yes, we're pretty big cricket fanatics. But yeah, hi folks, I'm Ritvi. I am also a coach at Major League Hacking and I've been here, I'll be here 3 years next month. So yeah, me and Vinayak are pretty close like that. And yeah, I qualify as a maker. Usually, I have a much better background saying that better than I do. But yeah, we'll hopefully have a background here sooner or later. Here, right?
We,
Let's move on to
yep.
our recap. Yesterday, well, for us today, I know a lot of y'all always correct us for that. But well, the last 24 hours were fun in GHW. I know Vinayak ran a really cool mini event. Vinayak, how was your mini event?
It was good. As I mentioned, we saw folks taking up their drawing skills pretty well. We also had Ran at the mini event. Okay, so not to get it confused, we have three Rans here at MLH. So the one with the broccoli, he uses broccoli at the end of this name. He was there. We had a lot of fun. We literally saw folks, when we play Gartic phone, we saw folks actually switching the meaning of what they actually said at the first. So it was a lot of fun. And yep, day one was amazing.
Yep, I agree. I took the IoT stream and y'all were so awesome. I had so many people follow along with me and stick around till the end, which is kudos, folks. I know the first two streams of IoT can be very, theory heavy. So much information I'm bombarding on you. So yeah, congratulations. I'm so excited for you all to, be learning so much in just the first 24 hours. And yeah, what's happening today, Vinayak?
Yep. Okay, to start up with, we have Ryan. Okay, we had this Ryan at the mini event. We had Ryan that he will be taking a stream on building your portfolio with Next.js Part 1. Again, folks, this is a stream which a lot of folks usually want to follow up, because when you are in your first year, second year, or whenever you want to make your portfolio website, you need to learn new technologies. You want to make it as impressive as it can be. So make sure you join RAN at 1 p.m. Eastern Time and 10:30 p.m. in Standard Time. That will be just after the stream, and try to learn building an impressive online presence.
Awesome. And then we have Newfall doing intro to RESTful APIs. I know Newfall does a lot of streams and you all love him. So I am actually very excited about, you all learning first your portfolio website and then also learning how to set up APIs. Very on point and very good for continuation.
Next up, we will again have run for the Type Racer mini event. This is again, Type Racer mini event is something we'll have a lot of fun with. It's very important to take regular breaks when you are hacking, when you are actually watching technical streams. So make sure you join Ryan at 7 p.m. Eastern Time and 4:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time to take a break from your hacking. And in case if you're wondering that this time is not in my time zone, I should be sleeping at this time. So we'll have a lot of mini events that will be happening in your time zone as well. So you do not need to worry. Okay, Ryan, three,
Awesome.
two, and I.
So
Yep, so sorry.
Nice, awesome. So we have next stream with David. He's gonna teach you introduction to Hugging Face. This is a very on point topic again with AI hype everywhere. This should be something very cool. David will be streaming at 9 p.m. ET or 6:30 a.m. IST, and you'll learn how to leverage the Hugging Face library. Very cool. I'm excited about this stream.
Yep. Next up, I guess I should let Ritvi cover this slide.
Yeah, next I'll take IoT part 2 on Sunday 11:30 a.m. IST and 2 a.m. ET in case it's not in your time zone, especially you, Emily. I see you wanting to wake up early. Don't wake up at 2 a.m. please. Uh so yeah, we'll do second part of IoT and we're gonna do a lot of protocols and a lot of basic circuit setups today. We're gonna have fun with a lot of simulators. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting.
Okay, next up, we'll have Newfill with building a chatbot with Telegram. Okay, that is something which I'll be also looking for, because I was building a side project and I needed to build a chatbot. So make sure you join Newfill at 7 a.m. Eastern Time and 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Again, chatbot is something which adds a lot of relevance to your web applications when you talk about not just web application, also Android applications as well. So make sure you join Newfield.
You know what? On that note, I might even, I can also tell you all how to do IoT with your Telegram chatbot. So,
Again, anything IoT, it's Ritvi. I also said it before the stream, but yep, she's too good in that. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
so Vinayak, you can take this again.
Yeah. Okay, so folks, again, if you want to take a break from your hacking, have a fun time at Discord, we'll be chatting, we'll be playing GeoGuessr mini event. I'll be taking up GeoGuessr almost after a lot of months. We'll be guessing places. The event will be taking over Discord. So it will be happening at 11 a.m. Eastern Time and 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Let's try to explore some places. Let's try to see how good you are at your geography, and we'll have a lot of interaction. The best thing about today's mini event was people were actually coming out and having conversations apart from the chat feature. So let's have a lot of fun. As I said, you're going to see me a lot of time during this week. So yeah, just the start. And Ritvik, if you want to cover that.
Sure. I mean, Vinayak's going to be back in 24 hours for the Today in GHW day 3. And he'll talk about all the awesome things you all do. So if you want to get featured, you know whom to DM. So Vinayak, what I do is I ask hackers to, tag me on Discord every time they post about whatever they're building. So I can add the pictures to the slides. So folks, now you can tag Vinayak tomorrow or today, the entire day until GHW, so you can add your name and your pictures to the slides. I see so many people coming back, and Yash is back. Hi, Yash. Welcome back to the
Hi
stream.
Ash. Okay, a very funny thing. So we were playing Gartic phone and someone took a screenshot of their drawing and they tagged me as like you need to get it this off from the Discord because that do not sound relevant here. Okay, folks, again, when you are tagging us, make sure it's in the community guidelines. Someone should not get offended by it because we want to create it a safe space for everyone. Have fun, enjoy, have a lot of conversations. That's it. That should be good. And yep, we are open for Q&A.
Q&A. I know y'all are pros at GHW at this point because I know more than half the hackers here already know the drill. They know things better than us. So yeah, if y'all have any questions or you want to enlighten us on what's happening, feel free to do so.
Yep. Any set of questions which you think we can answer and
Fave
is in our
cheese.
range.
Pizza cheese, Yash. Pizza cheese. I know the answer. I know the correct answer that you want to hear. Yeah, you'll build parallelly. It's a live stream and you'll build with Newfall, right?
Yep.
No,
Yep.
no, no, no.
That is correct. No.
No,
Okay.
Next.js is Ryan. Yes, you'll build it
Yep.
with Ryan.
Okay. We have a question. Is it necessary to attend all live sessions? I am bit experienced in few tools already. Can I skip few sessions? Absolutely correct. The streams are planned in such a way that what you think is relevant for you, you should actually attend that. Taking up all the streams is going to be a bit hard on you because we have almost 7 to 8 technical streams every day. Then you have mini events, you have a live outside streams too, right? Make sure you just follow the streams which is super comfortable to you. Again, you can also hop in mini events as more as you like because it's just a conversation. If you know something, it's okay. We are not pushing every stream on you. Just try to focus on things which you need to learn. That's the best part of Global Hack Week because we come up with such variety of sessions that you got to cover a lot of things. So yep, I guess that should be good.
Awesome. Thank you, Yash. I know I passed the test. The schedule is
Yep,
on schedule.ghw.io. I
I'll
think we can drop a link for you.
I'll do that.
You can't access the mini event channel. That's probably because you haven't done your community customization yet. So in your Discord top left corner, there'll be a customize your community, customize your Discord server option. Click on that, and in that you need to click on GHW. And once you tick GHW, all the channels will be visible to you. I can't seem to share the right comment. Can you share that for me, please?
The Okay, the link
There we go.
schedule.
This one.
Yep.
I got it.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, if you can't access it, that's probably because you haven't customized and picked GHW there. So top left corner in Discord, customize your community, and in that you just need to pick GHW, and you should be able to access the channels. All right. Question.
Hmm, we do have one more. Will we get a certificate or something at the end? Global Hack Weeks doesn't give you certificates, but what you build during Global Hack Weeks is more than a certificate can actually explain. For example, if you're building a portfolio website, that explains a lot about you. And a certificate just will be like you have attended Global Hack Week, but try to focus on things that you will be getting out of Global Hack Week. So to answer your question, no, you will not be getting certificates, but you will be getting swags from us. So again, can we get a swag ship in India? Definitely yes. We are trying our super hard. Folks at the team at Major League Hacking are trying their super fast to get your swags delivered. They do get sustained at the, if I have to say use the correct word, customs. So you just need to wait for that, and that should be good for you. You will get swags, and if you want to know more about swags that you will be getting at this season launch, let me share the link once again.
And for the
Like,
question that you asked whether or not you'll be building with the portfolio, Ryan himself has answered the question here for you all. And you can pester Ryan for more stream related questions in the chat while we're at it.
hmm, hmm, hmm. Uh, till what date this week will continue? Uh, hmm. I need to count it. So it started yesterday, so it should go till. Okay, I can get it
Thursday.
from this. Yep. So
Thursday.
that will
So
be
seven
11,
days. 7 days, right? It started on
7
Friday,
days.
it'll end on Thursday.
Yep, on 11th of July, if you are asking about the date.
There you go.
Yep. Uh,
So there are
so,
three ways to get swag, right? This first, the registration. That's that sign that gives you the basic swag. Then there is your event check-in. Every time you check into an event, I think you need to do some four events is by default that you need to do, and then plus one every event you get more swag. Correct,
yep,
Vinayak?
absolutely correct.
But you can always
Hmm.
check the first stream to always verify because this might change from stream to stream, GHW to GHW. Mm,
The live streams will be recorded. Yes, the live streams will be recorded over our YouTube channel. You can just visit whenever you want. You can check up all the streams that have happened, that are going to happen. So, no need to worry, but not the mini events. To be very precise, mini events will be only taking over the Discord. That is the Major League Hacking Discord server. So make sure you join that up so you do not miss an update.
Yes, you only need to attend live streams. You can also submit to challenges, but I don't think you get any extra swag for submitting to challenges. You only get swag mostly for attending the streams and checking in every time you do that. But again, you should always cross check this because it changes from GHW to GHW.
Yes, the mini events are no longer streamed on Twitch. Multiple reasons, but the main reason is we want to connect with you folks more. When we use platforms like Discord, we actually spend a lot of time with the folks. We communicate, whether it's a chat feature, whether it's a voice feature. So, yeah, to answer your question, yes, we do not stream them longer on Twitch now.
No worries if you did that, that's perfectly fine. If you submitted them, you can just resubmit it with your latest project. And in case you're still worried about it, you can always put in an email to the MLH folks at hi@mlh.io and they'll take care of it. There we go. Thank you so much, Emily, for this.
Yep, that should be good. Thank you so much. Hmm. How do we share the proof of completion for challenges? Okay, so I have to give you an example. If you build, for example, if you're building a portfolio site with Ran simultaneously, right? You can share a piece of your code, you can share your GitHub link or a screenshot of what you have built, and that will be considered as a proof of completion for challenges. We just want you folks to implement what you learn from the streams and just submit it so that we know you're going in the right direction. That's it.
Precisely. So there are the rules that keep changing here and there. So it's always nice to watch Ryan's and Mary's first stream of GHW where they clarify all of this for you all once and for all.
Okay, did we miss this? Yep, that is correct. You need to check into 5 events for the bonus swag.
All right.
Mhm.
Yes, the live stream is also done on YouTube.
Yep.
Do you mean from Senegal or to Senegal?
Yep, we do not ship swags from Senegal.
But I'm not sure if we send it to Senegal because I'm not sure where Senegal is in the world. Let me check
Yes,
that for you too. Just while we're
Senegal,
at it.
country in West Africa.
I think we do ship it there.
Oh, it's a good place.
I am pretty sure we ship it there, but I think I would recommend asking that in Discord once again. One of either Mary or Siddharth will answer your question ASAP. Uh, so there's a basic like what Emily mentioned earlier, right? There are I think two challenges that you're definitely getting swag for completing them, and I think the rest of it depends on what the challenge is about. Sometimes the partner itself is giving you, either swag or just credits, and it depends on this challenge completely. So I'd recommend either asking on Discord for that specific challenge or going through the GHW website where the challenges are listed.
Okay. Thanks, Ashish. If you folks really want an explanation, as I guess Ashish has put it really well, of the things that you need to take care of. Okay, Yash is saying, question, can we append MSH code of conduct to ban people who want pineapple on pizza? Okay, to be very honest, this is really funny. I was having this conversation with Swift, I guess, and that is the first time I got to know there is something called pineapple pizza when we had HackOn in 2022. So I don't know whether Swift will like this question or not, but let's see. Hmm.
Mm.
Again, folks, one more thing. In case if you get a question after the stream and you think now Ritvi and Vinayak is not there to answer it, you do not need to worry. Just go to the Discord server, create a ticket, ask your query. Someone from the team, either a coach or a full timer, will definitely pick you up and will try to resolve it as soon as possible. So you will have someone to support you 24/7. So no worries.
That is a great question, Yash and Ashish. We do not have any clue about this year.
We are waiting for that.
I'm sorry, yaar, I would love to do this, but my swag is now split between two cities, and half of that is with my sister. So my collection is now very sad. But I think Vinayak might be able to owe you with a collection.
Uh, I'm not at my native place where I had all the swags. So this is just an honest confession. When I started in the community, I was used to have a lot of swags. Now I just distribute it to the folks who really wanted stickers. And I guess Ashish, no, we had a lot of stickers when we planned open hacks recently, and the swags. And again, when we are working with MLH, we have a certain set of swags. Starting with this, the tee which we wear. So. Yep. Yep, the swags are also splitted for me as well.
Okay, great. I don't have open hacks stickers, Vinayak.
I'll get it delivered. That's for sure. I'm so sorry about that. But Ashish, you are a part of team, okay? So you also have the.
Vinayak's like, wrong place to tell that, Ashish. I'll have a word
Yep,
with
it's
you
a wrong.
later.
Yep, it's a wrong place to tell that. Okay. If this open hacks win, we are just trying to figure out the final date so that it's convenient for everyone. We're trying to find out a schedule so that you do not have your exams. Everyone can travel easily. It's not too hot, and it's probably a better place for everyone to be in. So, yep, might be a new city this time. So, just a hint.
Interesting.
Okay, last, Vinayak, are you in a college student or do you work at MLH full time? No, I'm not a college student. I passed out last year, 2023. I do not work with MLH as a full time. I work with Major League Hacking as a coach. So we do it part time, but we love it. So not a problem. And I'm also a full-time full stack developer. If you're thinking what I do as a full-time role, I'm a full stack developer. Yep.
So GHW is completely organized by MLH. Even as coaches, Dolly don't do much except participate in the streams. But I'm sure Mary would love to know that there are people willing to help her. So you can go ahead and put this and tag. Not don't tag Mary, but yeah, just go ahead and put that in the Discord, and I'm sure she'd love to hear it. This is for you, Vinayak.
Okay. So open hacks, to put it in very simple words, you can call it another hackathon, but a hackathon which we really wanted to have, because the region which we conducted it didn't had an open-ended hackathon back then. It was more like selection, and then we folks were used to participate in hackathons, and then we planned open hacks with an incentive that okay, let's try to put up something new. And the best part about open hacks, I'm not going to say it's the largest hackathon that happened in India, but it's the most impactful hackathon that has happened, according to me, to the ones I have visited. So we have put in a lot of work. We had an amazing team, not just here, even at MLH, the support which I've got and the things I've learned. So, yep, Open Hacks is a hackathon which probably had the biggest impact. So, yeah, fine with that. Again, thanks, Ashish. Yep, it's an open-ended hackathon. We are also planning something new this time. Again, a spoiler. This will be a different base of hackathon this time. As we said, a new city, a new plan. Wanted to pick up something new for you folks. So, yep, a lot of things will be happening. So, just fingers crossed, everything falls on the right place.
Thank you, Yash, again for sharing the schedule. That's a good point, Emily. Too many people, too many cooks spoil the broth, right? But okay, this I don't see any more
Okay,
questions.
I guess we do have last
Hmm.
how to
Oh,
become a coach. Yep, if you want to answer that, Ritvik.
Coaching is more about organizing and understanding what goes behind putting up a successful hackathon than it is about participating or knowing any technical skills. I would recommend checking out the Become a Coach page on the website. So, on the website, in the footer, there is a Become a Coach link. Go ahead, click that, and you'll know more about what the role expects you to do and how to apply for it. In case you're based in APAC, though, I should warn you that you can submit an application regardless, but you will be waitlisted because right now they are not hiring in APAC. So I would usually when they start hiring, they will put out an announcement. So I would recommend either waiting or going ahead and putting yourself on the waitlist.
Yep, perfect. Okay, spill the tea. Yep, you'll get to know first, Ashish. Don't worry.
Okay. I don't see any GHW related questions
Yep,
anymore. Thank you,
yep.
Emily.
Epic coolness. Like the coaches here are someone who will you'll see will talk a lot and probably have a lot of fun with you. You will not feel left out when you're having a conversation with us. We try to take up everyone, and sometimes we end up talking more, but we just want to make an fun environment for everyone to have a good company overall.
No, Yash, I do not have the informed swag. Just by the way, even the MLHers, like us coaches, didn't know who the mascot was until a day before you all did. So,
Yep.
yeah. All
Okay.
right, folks, I don't see any more GHW related questions. So I think I'm going to give you all some time to go back and get ready for Ryan's stream in 30 minutes. If you all have any more questions regarding GHW, though, you all know that Discord is open and there's someone there to answer your questions every minute. Like, Siddharth takes the APAC shift, Mary takes the ET shift. So there's always someone there answering your questions. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun week. It's only day one, and I know day seven's gonna be here in a snap. So enjoy it, and I'll see you all soon.
Yep. Bye everyone. Get yourself some rest, get some snacks, get ready for the next stream, and we both will see you soon in the upcoming streams. Bye everyone. Have a great day.